The journey from broke to millionaire is rarely straightforward, but it's often propelled by consistent habits that foster success. You see, from being an introverted teenager to becoming a successful entrepreneur, certain habits laid the foundation for this transformation. These habits are not just about working hard. They are about working smart, staying disciplined, and being open to growth. Below are 7 life-changing habits that guided this success, beginning with the first: developing a bias toward action. Habit number 1, a bias toward action. The ability to take decisive action is a hallmark of successful individuals. In contrast, many people become paralyzed by the need for perfection or wait for every piece of the puzzle to fall into place before making the first move. This results in overthinking, self-doubt, and stagnation. Taking action, even when faced with uncertainty, creates momentum, whereas inaction leaves you stuck in the same place. Hey, what's up, guys? Sorry to interrupt this amazing program, but we just want to say, wow, what a journey. We're beyond grateful for every single one of you who has subscribed, watched, liked, and supported our channel. Hitting our first 1,000 subscribers last week is a huge milestone, and we couldn't have done it without you. This is just the beginning, and we're excited to keep bringing you even better content. Thank you for being part of this amazing community. Let's keep growing together. If you are new to our channel, welcome. You can probably see our subscriber number right below the video. And if you're able to, it would mean the world if you could subscribe to our new and growing channel. When you subscribe and like our videos, it helps get our contents exposed to more audiences like yourself. Our mission is simple: to bring you cool contents that inspires, informs, and adds real value to your life. In return, my team and I promise to keep pushing harder than ever to make this show better for you every single week. Thank you for being part of this journey. We couldn't do it without you. Now let's get back to our video. Just like in sports, where performance improves with practice rather than sitting on the sidelines, action allows you to learn by doing. Each failure isn't a step back, but a valuable lesson in progress. The key is to take that first step, no matter how imperfect it may seem, because the biggest regret later on isn't failing, it's failing to start. The most successful people we know are those who don't let fear of failure paralyze them. They take calculated risks, learn from their mistakes, and keep moving forward. Habit number 2, treat time like gold. Have you ever heard time is the one resource that can never be replaced or replenished? Despite its preciousness, many individuals spend it inefficiently, often clinging to tasks they believe no one else can do as well as they can. This belief keeps people stuck in a cycle of overwhelm and limits their growth. Successful entrepreneurs, however, recognize the importance of delegating tasks that don't require their personal touch. This frees up their time to focus on high-value activities that only they can do. This mindset allows them to scale their businesses and leverage the talents of others. Entrepreneurs hire employees not as an expense, but as an investment in their growth and efficiency. By learning to prioritize time and focus on what truly matters, they avoid burnout and can think more strategically, focusing on long-term success rather than short-term tasks. Habit number 3, talk to strangers. Networking is often thought of as a transactional endeavor, but building relationships with new people can lead to unexpected opportunities. Overcoming that fear of social awkwardness or introversion is essential for growth. Trust me, I know this firsthand. Professionals often avoid interacting with clients or potential collaborators out of some fear, missing out on valuable opportunities. However, those who regularly engage with strangers, whether in casual conversations or at industry events, open themselves up to new business, collaborations, and insights. Relationships are built on trust, value, and genuine connections. Whether it's chatting with a barista at a cafe or attending a networking event, the habit of talking to new people regularly allows for the exchange of ideas and establishes a support system that can be pivotal in business success. Habit number 4, be a forever student. The moment you stop learning is the moment your growth stagnates. Successful individuals understand that knowledge is never static. The more you learn, the more you realize there's always more to know. Instead of seeing themselves as experts who have all the answers, they remain curious and humble, always seeking new learning opportunities. This continuous learning helps them stay ahead of trends, adapt to new technology, and innovate within their field. Furthermore, learning is not just about consuming information, but also about sharing and teaching others. Teaching reinforces your own knowledge while expanding your perspective. The most successful people actively seek out mentors, read books, attend seminars, and participate in experiences that challenge their thinking and push them out of their comfort zone. Habit number 5. Value questions over answers. While society often celebrates those who have all the answers, the most successful individuals know that asking the right questions is just as important, if not more so. Rushing to provide solutions without fully understanding the problem leads to incomplete or ineffective results. Asking insightful questions helps uncover the root causes of problems and ensures that solutions are relevant and impactful. Many of the world's greatest innovators, such as Steve Jobs and Albert Einstein, were known for their relentless curiosity and questioning of the status quo. This ability to challenge assumptions, dig deeper, and ask the hard questions leads to breakthroughs that set the stage for true innovation. Mastering the art of questioning helps individuals navigate complex situations and make smarter, more informed decisions. Habit number 6. View feedback as a gift. Constructive feedback is often perceived as criticism, but in reality, it's an invaluable tool for personal and professional growth. Without feedback, you may not recognize flaws or areas that need improvement until they become significant problems. Top performers actively seek feedback from mentors, peers, and employees. They don't view criticism as a personal attack, but as an opportunity to refine their skills, correct course, and elevate their performance. Feedback, when given thoughtfully, offers actionable insights that can lead to significant improvements. Even when feedback isn't directly applicable, it forces you to reflect, gain new perspectives, and continue growing. Successful people consistently ask for honest assessments and use that feedback to shape their next steps. Habit number 7. Embrace the messiness of innovation. Innovation is rarely neat and tidy. It involves countless experimentation, trial and error, and a willingness to fail in the pursuit of discovery. While many businesses focus on efficiency, an unwavering commitment to efficiency too early can stifle creativity and limit innovation. The most successful entrepreneurs and companies embrace the messiness of the creative process. They understand that making mistakes and learning from them is an essential part of growth. Rather than risking everything on a single idea, successful innovators break projects into smaller experiments, minimizing risk and maximizing the opportunity for learning and iteration. By testing different ideas, adjusting strategies, and refining solutions, they ultimately arrive at breakthrough innovations that lead to long-term success. They don't fear failure, they view it as an opportunity to pivot and adapt. Conclusion. The 7 habits outlined here are not just theoretical, they form the bedrock of my personal and professional transformation. They're practical, actionable steps that, when consistently applied, lead to success. By developing a bias toward action, treating time as your most valuable asset, building relationships, constantly learning, asking insightful questions, embracing feedback, and accepting the messiness of innovation, you will create a mindset that fosters long-term growth and achievement. These habits set successful individuals apart from the rest, enabling them to unlock their full potential and achieve extraordinary results. Which habit resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.